Oh my, where's Scott?
I'm here.
Yes, you are, but you're as always late.
Look,
Yeah, okay.
I live very far away.
Okay.
Ready to shoot the next video?
I am ready, and I see that you are the businessman today.
I did teach some business English courses this week.
Okay.
And this is one of my favorite topics to teach.
Cool. And what's the topic?
These are phrasal verbs.
Phrasal verbs. Very useful, both in general English and also in business English.
I mean, in general English, yes. Business English, definitely.
Yeah, it's a must, I would say.
So how would you explain a phrasal verb to our students? What is it?
Yeah, so we have many verbs in English, yeah? And there are these little words that when you add them together, it changes the meaning. Is that a good way of putting it?
That's an excellent way of putting it.
Okay, how would you?
Well, you have to have a verb, right? And you add it to either a preposition or
Okay.
an adverb. So if we're talking grammar.
Okay, let's start with the examples. This
Okay.
is so, it's a concept, but we need examples to understand it.
Do you want to go with the first example here, or do you want to go with another example?
Let's go with this.
First one?
Yeah, business. Useful phrasal verb.
First one is to follow up.
Oh, to follow up. So we have follow,
Mm-hmm.
which has its own meaning. So for example, I am following you, yeah? But follow up has an absolutely different meaning.
When you put up with it, yes.
Yes, follow up. So give me an example.
After we shoot this video, we need to follow up and talk about it.
Okay. So we need a follow up. So something happens, and then if you want to ask more about that or give more information about that, that's called a follow up.
Excellent.
Good. Understood.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right.
And I can see it's very useful in business cases.
In business cases.
Yeah, for example, after meeting, I said, okay, can I have your email to send you a follow-up message? Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
exactly. The next one is to carry out.
Oh. Okay, what does that mean?
I'm carrying a water bottle.
You're carrying it?
In, out, carry out. Take out? Did you order something?
Oh, take out. I do that a lot.
But this is carry out.
Oh, sorry.
Mo, I need you to carry out a task for me.
Okay, now I'm getting it. To carry out a task. So basically to do this task.
To
Be responsible for
ask
that.
somebody to do something for you.
Yeah, so when I'm carrying out some task, it means that I am doing this task.
Right.
For example, you ask me and I'm doing this for you.
Right.
Good.
Perfect.
And give me okay, you gave us the example, so let's go to the next one.
Next one. This is one of my favorites. Take over.
Take over. Yes. For those of you who like to have more responsibility, that's a useful verb. So
Mo, would you like to take over the next project?
no, thank you. I already have a lot on my plate.
So take over means?
To carry out something.
Yeah, to carry out something.
Yeah, that's also possible.
Someone wants to come in and take over something, they have the responsibility for it.
They are the somehow responsible for that. They are responsible for that. Good.
Very good. All right, the next one.
What's the next one? And what is with this wind? Okay, so
Next one, another favorite one. To look into.
to look into. Okay, I think it is self-explanatory with an example. So let's jump to the example.
Let's play a little role playing.
Okay.
I'll be
always
I'll be a
ready for that.
detective.
You're a detective.
And has something been taken from you, or did you lose something recently?
Oh, I see what you're doing. You're talking about one of our next videos.
The upcoming video.
The upcoming video, yeah, a little. Yeah, okay.
A little prequel.
A little prequel, yeah. You love prequels, I can see.
You know.
Okay, go.
Have you lost something?
I have lost something.
What did you lose?
I have lost my bike.
Okay, I'll look into it.
Okay. Thank you, detective.
I'll try to find where you left your bike unlocked.
Thank you, detective.
Okay.
Thank you for looking into it.
I will look into it. The next one is bring up.
Bring up. Okay. Let me bring up something now that we are talking.
Okay.
Is that how you use it correctly?
Do you want to bring up something?
I want to bring up, it's about money, so let's not talk about it in front of camera.
Do I owe you something?
Can we pause it here?
Okay, let's pause it. The next one is to set up.
To set up. Okay, I usually use this when talking about technology. I've heard it that in that context.
Okay.
But what else can we say? So a little more businessy.
Someone needs to set up the conference room.
Okay, so
We're having a big meeting.
To make something ready.
To get something ready.
To get something ready. Okay, to make something ready is something else.
Or is it to become something ready?
Oh my god.
I don't know.
Well, for that we have a video.
We do have a video for that.
Yeah.
Turn down.
Turn down.
Turn down the music?
Turn down the music, but turn down an offer.
Did you get that job?
Yes, but I turned down the offer. I was not happy with the salary.
Ah, you turned it down. You rejected it.
Yes, I rejected it. I turned it down.
Very nice. Thanks for staying with us.
Always a pleasure.
This one is ultimately my favorite.
Let's see.
To put off.
To put off. Oh, because you are the lazy guy?
I'm the laziest guy here.
Okay, yeah. That could be one of my favorites too.
Mo gives me all these tasks.
Yeah,
Our
do
content
this, do
creator
that,
slash
do this, do
video
that.
editor gives me all these tasks.
And you just put them off.
It's Friday night. I'm not going to work on a Friday night.
Yeah, it's party time.
I put it off. I put it off. I put it off.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, this takes us right into the next one. To cut back.
To cut back. Okay, you have to help me out here. So let's talk about our budget.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are we over? Our budget is, we are over budget.
We are over budget. So spending a lot of money on food.
We need to cut back on expenses.
We need to cut back on expenses.
No more bagels and cream cheese.
Okay, let's go with some normal chips.
Normal chips.
Okay, good.
From Netto.
Of course.
Black Netto.
Okay.
And the last one.
I think I know that one.
Yeah, you remember it?
Yes. No, I forgot it.
To run out of something.
Okay, so yeah. I was supposed to say that, oh, are we running out of time? Well, we have all the time in the world because now we don't have, we don't have the money to buy food, so we just can talk.
Yeah, so to run out of something, think about a deadline is coming up.
And actually, we ran out of chips.
We ran out of chips.
Yeah, we ran out of chips, so we need some more chips. And we ran out of time, so we need to cut this video short.
We need to stop this video right now.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Take care.
Thank you.